Sony ZV-E10. Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the world of incredible Sony ZV-E10, a camera made for the ease of vloggers. Sony ZV-E10 USP lies in its ability to give you the power to transform your videos with a simple button press. But there's more to explore. The ZV-E10 features a large APS-C type XMOR CMOS sensor, ensuring exceptional high-resolution 4K video quality. The ZV-E10 comes with a 60 to 50mm power zoom lens, perfect for even more creative possibilities. Compared to a smartphone camera, the image sensor of the ZV-E10 is more than 10 times bigger, allowing for beautiful, professional-looking images with 24.2 megapixel resolution. Capture the perfect moment at up to 11 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a beat. With the fast hybrid autofocus system featuring 425 phase detection points, your subjects stay in focus always. Weighing in at just 364 grams, this camera is your perfect travel companion. The side-opening, vari-angle LCD screen makes selfies and framing a breeze, while the ergonomic grip ensures a secure hold. The movie button, zoom lever, and still or movie or S and Q button are thoughtfully placed for easy access to essential functions. With a simple button press, switch between a beautifully blurred background and a crisply focused one, eliminating complex settings. Activate the product showcase setting for product review videos. It automatically shifts focus to the product when in frame and back to your face when it's not. So no more fiddling with the manual focus. Even in noisy environments, this camera's microphone records voices clearly, capturing only what's in front of the camera while reducing distracting ambient sounds. So to summarize, the Sony ZV-E10 offers 4K exceptional video quality, 24.2 megapixel resolution, burst shooting at 11 frames per second, 425 phase detection points, side-opening vari-angle LCD screen. There you have it, folks. The Sony ZV-E10 is your ticket to professional-looking vlogs with ease. Get ready to capture stunning memories and embark on a journey of creativity. Start your photography journey now by getting yours at Amazon.